I'm rich.
Good morning, evening, or afternoon. I'm the Mainland Digger, and this video is me flying my drone.
Let's try to fly this thing.
My Phantom 3. DJI Phantom 3. I took my kids. Oh, this is a two-part video. So, KVCC, or Kennebec Valley Community College, asked if I could take, the maintenance crew asked if I could take photos or video of the buildings, different buildings on campus for a contract that they have coming up. And I said yes, because I love using my drone. So one of the buildings is Bernard A. King Hall, or just King Hall. And the other building is the Lunder Library. Which is, it's just a cool building. Like, there's a lot of neat architecture in it. And I bring my kids. For the second part, I bring my kids along with me to do Lunder, and get a photo or video of Lunder. And at the very end, my eldest gets, I let my eldest fly the drone for the first time, fly my Phantom for the first time, and which was awesome. So I'm going to put that in this video. And it's a good time. It really is. This building is King Hall, or Bernard King Hall. We just call it King Hall. It's where everything happens. It's especially since COVID. So it's where I work. And it was just fun. It was fun to see the top of the building and play with the drone, and during working hours. Lunder Library is architecturally is just cool to look at, and I've always wanted to see what it looks like on top, and finally got the drone up there, and it was awesome. Christmas is daughter flying the drone, just an empty parking lot and or empty space, and it was just a good time. Like she had so much fun, and it was, I mean, she was controlling the drone. She's less of a spaz than I am, which is awesome. I still had my phone connected to it, so I didn't have to control it, and I didn't control it. But if something were to happen, which it didn't, I could take control pretty easy, and I can take pictures. I could have taken pictures, which I did in video, and she just had a good time. It was awesome. I had a lot of fun, and both my children with me, so they enjoyed themselves. These photos were taken from live video, so we were on the move. My daughter was moving the drone around, and I was kind of just snapping pictures. So they're either blurry or just odd. Anyway, so this is the Lunder building, and it's just a cool building. I didn't get on the other side because there's a lot of trees. The other side is the cool part of the building. Anyway, so I couldn't get a picture of me not talking because I was instructing my daughter on how to fly the drone and just different things. We were just talking about stuff. But anyway, I couldn't get a picture where my mouth wasn't open. And like I said, this is a photo off of a video. So I just thought it was funny. Anyway, mainly dig out. Oh, also, I have a metal detecting video coming up soon. Picking up pennies. I'm bougie. More like boozy. I would go with boozy. I just have to do some research on it. It's out of Clinton, Maine, and it's at a site I've been to before. It's a mill site that they turned into a park. I just don't have any cool, information on it or facts about it. Or I want photos. So I'm waiting on that. But that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Mainly dig out.